Alrighty guys, so we're here today and we've got our brand new Rfloxa Hawk33 forks to put on the Talaria MX5. So we're going to do an installation video on that and we're just going to show you guys how we're going to do that. So stay tuned, we're going to do that now. We're going to do a step by step. So first things first, we're going to get the front wheel off. This needs to happen first, 100%. So we'll get that off and then we'll do the brakes, the fender, and then we'll do the triple clamps and all that stuff. So yeah, we'll go through it and yeah, stay tuned. Cheers. You want to loosen off the right hand side pinch bolts. So let's do that first so we can loosen that wheel off. So next, we're going to undo this brake line from the fork guards. So you'll need a small Allen key for that. We're going to go ahead and use our power tools to make this whole process a little bit quicker. So what we can probably do is, I think it's probably best to just loosen the triple clamps off and get the fork legs out. That's what I needed. A little bit of a bang. And she's off. First, with these forks, we need to put the bearing on. So I'll bring them over here. So we've got the 228mm travel fork with the drop crown, so it should actually raise the front end up a bit, just for reference. So that's the bearing. That has to sit in like that, but it needs to sit flush. Now, Ride Panther told me that I don't need to press it in. He said you can do it without pressing it. A piece of timber. Just don't know if it'll be too hard. We'll see now. Last thing you want to do is damage your bearings. Okay, it's going in nice. Good. Cool. It's now sitting on the bottom. Let's put some grease on it. nicer. Let's have a seat on it, see if she's taller. Oh yeah, definitely taller. There's always a noise when I install the part. Something's here. Right, just going to go for a quick ride around here just to feel it. Cool guys.